It's the Galatentology Show.
Good day and welcome to episode 3 of the Galatentology Show here on GTTV. Now, the Galatentology Show is intended to be an educational, informative and above all entertaining look at marquees, gazebos and all the accessories you might need for them, including the flooring. Today's episode looks at Swisstrax Modular Flooring. One question we're always asked is, how easy is it to put down? Is it easy? Is it difficult? Is it somewhere between easy and difficult? Well, we decided to send Nathan out to put some down and see how quickly he could do it. Nathan! Wowzers! 4 minutes and 57 seconds to lay all that flooring? You tell me something else that you could lay in 4 minutes and 57 seconds. I'll wait. Anyway, here's me reading my fan mail. Good day from the Institute of Galatentology and welcome to another installment of me reading my fan mail. Now, I have literally thousands upon thousands of pieces of fan mail that have been sent to me over the last 21 years, so don't expect this to stop anytime soon. It's going to go on for a long, long time. Okay, so my next review... I've got a telephone call! Hello? The Galatentologist? Oh, hi, Ron! Yes, of course! Flawless quality as always with Gala Tent. Never used anyone else except Gala Tent because we're number one without a doubt. Thank you very much, Ron. You're number one with me, mate. Thank you. Bye-bye. And then I've got another call. Hello, the Galatentologist. Jane? Yes, hello. Incredibly quick and efficient service. Well, thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye. So the next one I have is... I've got another telephone call. This is a hotline. Hello, David? Yes, it's the Galatentologist. What would you like to say? Very good. Anything else? No? No, okay. No, okay. You're a man of few words, David. I like it. Bye-bye. And then it's another telephone call. Hello? David? Not that David, a different David. Would you mind if I call you Dave, David? Okay, no worries. Thank you, Dave. You're impressed by the gazebo cover? It seems to be much better quality material and a better fit on the frame than previously bought. Including the covers? Well, that's fantastic, Dave. Thank you. Thank you, Dave. Take care. Bye-bye. That's a lot of calls. I might put myself in unavailable. And that's that for the latest installment of the Galatentologist Reads the Reviews. Good night, take care, stay safe. Don't have nightmares about cheap gazebos. Thank you, me. Those were lovely, excellent, kind words. Now to another installment of meeting the team. Today we're going to meet Jake. Let's meet him.
My name's Jake Simpson. My official title is Executive Sales Consultant. I predominantly look after Gala performance, but I dip my toes into Galatent as well. It will be sort of like a year and a half now, joined 2019, March 2019. I think because it is sort of renowned for motorsport and relates to motorsport quite heavily, people who are inquiring for domestic garages say, is this the right thing to do? Is this a bit overkill? And the answer is no. It's perfect for what you need it to do. Yeah, so my top tip, I would say measure before you get in touch, have a look at different colours, have a look at different designs. I've done plenty of different designs you'll be able to see on our social media. I did a Great Britain flag, so pretty much anything you can think of we can achieve. I would say the best one and probably the most popular one is a rib tracks. If you've got it for a home garage, for a gym for example, the grippiness of the rib tracks really comes into play. For motorsport, I would say the smooth tracks. Generally, a lot of the guys in motorsport teams are working on the cars, so with it being smooth, it's easy for sort of trolley wheels, for example. As well, it is a little bit easier to work on if you're on your knees. Yeah, I would obviously avoid the tough tile, definitely. Marry rib tracks because I've worked with it so long. Snog smooth tracks, little fling now and again when I'm designing that one. And again, like I say, avoid the tough tile. You get what you pay for, buy cheap, buy twice, as I say. I have more customers come back to me and say, Jake, you've undersold it than you oversold it. It's a product that I really love. More often than not, I get pictures sent back to me of your designs, which I do love to see. And yeah, it's a really nice product to sell as a salesman.
Well, thank you, Jake. Well, that was really lovely, wasn't it? It's excellent to meet the people that you speak to on the telephones on a daily basis. A little fun fact about Jake is, he's the UK's premier Michael Buble tribute. He's also one of Take That, but I don't know which one. Anyway, here's a little bit of something different.
Tommy, I think I managed to store some marquee, and it can be delivered next day.
Is it a Gala Tent?
Of course it is, you big galoo.
Ma, that's great news.
Praise the Lord.
Mary Todd, you're looking mighty fine today, and guess what? That's some real exciting news.
Oh, have you? That's nice, Abraham.
Have a guess, Mary. Go on, Spadge.
Oh, just tell me, Abraham. I can't take it.
Well, Mary, I got us a Gala Tent. Some white linings, some infrared heaters, and LED globe lights.
You're such a charmer. If only it was true.
Well, don't you like it when I tell you nice stories?
I guess every girl sort of likes that. Now stop it. You need to be serious now.
Well, Missy, I am telling the truth, so why don't you put that book down and give us a kiss? Woo-hoo-wee! I ain't paying you to wait to fritter away all your money on a pretty girl. No sirree, Bob, boyo. Hee-hee! Well, boss, this is different. I am buying a Gala Tent. Hey! Now, old Chestnut, she won't fall for that one. Y'all need a better story than that one.
Yes, he thinks I'm stupid.
I do have a Gala Tent, I do. I'll show you tomorrow. It's gonna be here next day. Maybe you should make it two Gala Tents. You're gonna be president.
Now give me my book back. Look now, it's a nice story, but you're just going too far with it.
I'm sorry for getting you all excited, Mary.
Well, I just went all faint with the thought of having an event in a Gala tent.
Mary, I do really own a Gala Tent, honest.
Really? Do you?
I do own a Gala Tent, and I'm going to prove it. You will love me more then. Give us a kiss.
I will. And I'll give you a bit.
And now, the weather where you are. In Scotland, in November, it's going to be very cold. You're going to need a marquee heater. So whether you've got a pub or a hotel or a restaurant or a sandwich shop or a lasagna shop or a trousers shop, you're going to need to keep your customers warm. Use a marquee heater. In Yorkshire, Tier 3 Yorkshire, well, you're allowed into your garden. Your garden's going to need a heater in that marquee that you purchased just 3 months ago. And in London, it's going to be cold. You're going to need a marquee heater. It's going to be a cold, long, lonely winter. There is no future. Goodbye. See you next year. Ta-ta.